scheme. First, the fund name is SBI ELSS tax saver fund. If I look at the 1 year return, it is not that good. It is approximately 3.5. But if you look at the 3 year and 5 year return, it is approximately 20% and 25% annualized return. If you look at the mean, it is approximately 22.08. Standard deviation of this fund is 13. Sharp is approximately 1.21. Shortino is approximately 1.97, and it has generated a decent alpha of 6.62. If you look at the price to earning ratio of this fund, it is approximately 21.48, and price to book value is approximately 3.01. So tax saving mutual funds are basically for the old regime, not for the new regime. If you are filing your tax on the new regime, then obviously these ELSS funds and the ETC benefits are not applicable to you, and these funds may not attract you. Now I will first come what are exactly the ELSS funds are. ELSS means equity linked saving scheme. So itself you can understand, it says that equity linked. It means that if you invest into those funds, you can invest into large cap, mid cap, small cap, and all those things depending upon where fund manager wants to do it. But the catch is there are 2 points basically. Number one, you can claim the benefit under section 80C for 1.5 lakhs. Second thing is that your funds will remain locked for exactly 3 years. You cannot take out the money before 3 years at any point of time. After 3 years, you can take out the money. But if you are in an old regime, you may still find that benefits of putting the money in ELSS mutual funds. Now I will give you 3-4 ELSS mutual funds which have done recently well. Though these funds are not recommendation from me or from Wealth Redefined. It is just for a understanding and value proposition. If you want to invest into ELSS fund, please do your own research or ask your financial advisor for it. Now let's come to the funds. If I take out the first fund out of it, it is the SBI mutual fund of ELSS scheme. First, the fund name is SBI ELSS tax saver fund. If I look at the 1 year return, it is not that good. It is approximately 3.5. But if we look at the 3 year and 5 year return, it is approximately 20% and 25% annualized return. If we look at the mean, it is approximately 22.08. Standard deviation of this fund is 13. Sharp is approximately 1.21. Shortino is approximately 1.97, and it has generated a decent alpha of 6.62. If we look at the price to earning ratio of this fund, it is approximately 21.48, and price to book value is approximately 3.01. So this fund has a decent technical and fundamental aspects. So this fund may be a good fund to invest in. Second fund which comes to my mind is HDFC ELSS tax saver fund. This HDFC ELSS tax saver fund has given a 1 year return of approximately 7%, 3 year return is approximately 20%, and 5 year return is approximately 23%. Let's say 24%. So if you look at compared to SBI and HDFC, you see 1 year return SBI is slightly less than HDFC, but in 5 years SBI is slightly higher than the HDFC. If we look at the mean of that is 20. Standard deviation is 11 of this fund. Sharp is 1.23. Shortino is approximately 2. It has generated an alpha of 5.81. Price to earning of this fund is 23.75, and price to book value is 3.36. If you compare the alpha, you find that SBI has given slightly more alpha than the HDFC. So in the third fund which comes to my mind is HSBC ELSS tax saver fund. The 1 year return of HSBC is approximately 3.6. 3 year return is approximately 19, and 5 year return is approximately 19. So it has not performed like a SBI and HDFC in 5 years time. But the mean of this fund is 18. The standard deviation is 40. The Sharp is 0.9. short is 1.1 and it has generated an alpha of 3.06%. Right now the fund price to earning is 27 and price to book value 3.8. So out of these funds, if we look at the price to earning, price to book value and alpha, SBI stands best and HDFC is very close to. So I think you may do your own research on these funds and probably choose based on your own analysis as well as the investment advisor's recommendation. But I think these three funds you can keep on your checklist whether to invest or not, and probably take a decision based on the situation you are in. So I just thought of giving, like we are giving you the funds about large cap, mid cap and other funds. So I thought that because the tax saving session is going to come in and it has already been kicked in, so this may be a good option for you to analyze and decide. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos of these kinds. Thank you.